Fort Worth homeowners face a range of weather conditions throughout the year, from hot, sunny summers to occasional cold fronts in the winter. Because of this, choosing the right replacement windows is essential for maintaining indoor comfort, improving energy efficiency, and protecting your home. With so many options available, understanding what features matter most for the local climate can help you make a smart and lasting investment. One of the most important factors to consider is energy efficiency. In Fort Worth, where air conditioning is heavily used during long summers, windows play a major role in keeping indoor temperatures stable. Look for replacement windows with double or triple pane glass, insulated frames, and protective coatings that help reduce heat transfer. These features keep hot air outside and cool air inside, helping lower energy bills and reduce strain on your HVAC system. Glass technology is especially important in a warm climate. Modern windows often include low-E coatings that reflect heat while still allowing natural light to enter. This means you can enjoy bright interiors without increasing indoor temperatures. Choosing the right glass package can make a noticeable difference in comfort, especially in rooms that receive direct sunlight throughout the day. Frame material is another key consideration. The material you choose affects durability, maintenance, and overall performance. Vinyl windows are a popular choice in Fort Worth because they resist heat, do not warp, and require very little upkeep. Fiberglass is another strong option, offering excellent durability and stability in extreme temperatures. Aluminum frames can provide a sleek look, but they should include thermal breaks to improve insulation in hot conditions. Window style also plays a role in performance. Different styles offer different benefits depending on your needs. For example, casement windows provide a tight seal and are great for energy efficiency, while double-hung windows offer flexible ventilation. Slider windows are easy to operate and work well for wide openings, while picture windows maximize natural light. Choosing the right combination of styles for your home can improve both comfort and functionality. Proper ventilation is especially important in Fort Worth's climate. Windows that allow controlled airflow help reduce indoor heat buildup and improve air circulation. Double-hung and casement windows are particularly effective for this purpose, as they can be adjusted to direct airflow where it's needed most. Good ventilation reduces reliance on air conditioning and helps maintain a healthier indoor environment. Durability should also be a priority. Replacement windows need to withstand strong sunlight, temperature changes, and occasional storms. High-quality materials and construction ensure that your windows maintain their shape, seal, and performance over time. Investing in durable windows helps prevent issues such as warping, fading, or seal failure. Installation quality is just as important as the windows themselves. Even the most advanced window will not perform properly if it is not installed correctly. Professional installation ensures a tight fit, proper sealing, and correct alignment. This prevents air leaks, water intrusion, and operational issues, allowing your windows to perform as intended. Noise reduction can also be a benefit of modern replacement windows. Multi-pane glass and tight seals help block outside noise, creating a quieter and more comfortable indoor space. This is especially useful for homes located near busy streets or growing neighborhoods. Maintenance is another factor to consider. Homeowners often prefer windows that are easy to clean and require minimal upkeep. Features like tilt-in sashes and durable finishes make maintenance simple, helping you keep your windows looking and functioning like new. In addition to performance, replacement windows can enhance your home's appearance. With a wide range of styles, colors, and finishes available, you can choose windows that complement your home's design while improving curb appeal. This not only enhances your daily living experience but can also increase property value. In the end, choosing the best replacement windows for the Fort Worth climate comes down to balancing energy efficiency, durability, ventilation, and design. By focusing on high-quality materials, advanced glass technology, and professional installation, homeowners can enjoy a more comfortable, efficient, and attractive home year-round.